Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick update with you to go over my experience with the Luminesce products from Jeunesse Global. I've been using the Youth Restoring Cleanser, the Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, this stuff is fantastic, and the Daily Moisturizing Complex. So I have a video of my morning routine using these products and then some before and after pictures, so stay tuned. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so here are the pictures that I took of my entire face, well, almost, on the first day before I started the product, the 7th day, and then the 14th day. As you can see in each one, my skin got a lot brighter and clearer. Here are pictures of my forehead, and you can see between the first day and then the 7th and 14th day that the wrinkles are lessening, that the pores, even though I still have enlarged pores on today, they're a lot less of them and they're not quite as enlarged. And the red spots are starting to fade, as are the wrinkles. Now, this is my left cheek, and again, the same thing with the pores. They're getting a lot less of them, and the ones that are left are a lot smaller than they originally were. Now, my right cheek, I think, has shown the most improvement because the redness between the first day and today has gone down, and you can definitely see, or at least I can, where there's not as many pores visible, and the ones that are there are a lot smaller, just like in the other pictures. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today, but I will definitely be doing more unboxings and more reviews and comparisons with these products. I am absolutely in love. Like I said, I can't stop touching my face. I can't wait to get some of the supplements, and I will definitely keep you updated on how I'm doing on them. Thanks.